Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on an F150. Start with safety first. Find a safe, level location away from traffic, if possible. Turn on your hazard lights and engage the parking brake. Retrieve your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench from under the truck. Place wheel chocks behind the wheels that are diagonally opposite the flat tire for added stability. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe tire change. Now, let's get those lug nuts started. Before lifting the truck, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire by turning them counterclockwise. Don't remove them completely yet, just break them free. Next, locate the proper jacking point on your F150's frame, usually near the flat tire. Carefully raise the vehicle with the jack until the flat tire is completely off the ground, allowing for easy removal. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Now, lift your spare tire and align it with the wheel studs. Push it firmly onto the hub. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs. Ensure they are snug, but do not fully tighten them yet, as we'll do that on the ground. Gently lower your F150 back to the ground. Once the vehicle is fully down, use your lug wrench to tighten all the lug nuts completely. Work in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Double-check that every lug nut is secure. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Finally, check the spare tire's pressure and drive cautiously to a service center to have your original tire repaired or replaced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.